Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use any song as a ringtone on Android phone. That's pretty easy, anybody can do it. All you need an app from the Play Store, and the name of the app is Music Player. So I'm not going to download that since I have it on my phone. You can download from Play Store. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is how we do it. Very simple, very easy. So if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe my channel. And I hope this video was helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.